Here I've got General Mobile GM5+D, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. At the very beginning you have to open list of all apps, then select the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. Here you should go to Languages and Import, and now select the first option, which is Languages. To add a language, just click on plus icon, and as you can see, General Mobile prepared a wide list of languages for you, so everyone will find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, Croatian. So this is the one, and region Croatia. Then if you would like to set it as a default one, you have to click on it for a while and then swipe it up to the first position. And as you can see, the language has been already changed, so everything is in Croatian. Then if you would like to go back to the previous language or change it one more time, select the last icon, so it's with I letter, then pick the first tab, go to this option, and then you can either swipe up English or some other language, or you can permanently remove Croatian by tapping on more icon, which is 3.1 here, and click on remove, select Croatian, and tap on bin icon. Confirm that you would like to remove it, tap on OK, and that's it. Now we are back in English. As you can see, everything is back in English. So that's it. From now on, you will be able to change your language whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.